How to search for ITS success strategies in 4 easy steps. You can start by navigating to the ITS Deployment Evaluation website. You can access the Success Strategies portion of the website by selecting the Success Strategies icon. The Success Strategies contain executive briefings, case studies, and snapshots. Each of these products cover different aspects of emerging ITS technologies to help you with making the business case for your deployment. To navigate to any of these products, simply click the tile for the product you want. In this example, we select Executive Briefings. This will take you to a list of the product you selected. To navigate back to the main Success Strategies page, simply click the back button.
Now we are going to give a brief overview of each product type. Executive briefings highlight emerging ITS topics and trends that have recently been added to the benefits, costs, and lessons learned databases. Each briefing provides an overview of the topic, including benefits, costs and best practices, and concludes with a successful implementation story. It is important to note here that for all executive briefings, case studies, and snapshots, you can download them as PDFs or images using the menu on the upper right-hand side.
Case studies focus on specific examples where emerging ITS technologies are being deployed in the real world. Each case study includes the challenge ITS is helping solve, deployment results, lessons learned, and costs where available.
Snapshots contain early or interim updates on emerging ITS technologies. These snapshots highlight specific technologies in a topic area, such as Vehicle-to-Everything Technologies, or V2X. Each technology is linked to a specific problem it can help solve, and also lists the resulting benefits of deploying that technology.
Returning to the Success Strategies page, on the bottom half of the page, you can also search lessons learned by the 9 lessons learned categories. In this instance, we are selecting Design and Deployment. Each lessons learned entry, like the one we selected under Design and Deployment, come from the experience of ITS practitioners when implementing ITS technologies under real-world conditions. Each entry describes the background and use of the ITS deployment or technology. Lessons learned from the deployer's point of view are then discussed.
On the right side, you can find a link to the original lessons learned source, along with other information about the entry. This includes how the lessons learned entry is categorized according to the USDOT's Architecture Reference for Cooperative and Intelligent Transportation, or ARCIT, taxonomy. Thanks for visiting, and we hope you enjoy exploring the ITS Deployment Evaluation website.